Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, March 31st. Our word of the month is self-care. So today I want you guys to think about how you could calm yourself down when you are feeling really excited about something. So you can brainstorm that at home. You could take a break if you're feeling really excited, do some breathing exercises like we practice. The sight word of the day is must. I must do my homework. MUST spells must. One thing I do want you guys to remember today is to make sure that you guys are logging on to iReady and completing your math and reading today. There's a slide on here on our Google Classroom that can help you with your username and password if you need support, and also some visuals to help you guys log in. I hope you guys enjoy your iReady today. Again, your word of the day is self-care. Your sight word is must. Next up, during writing time, when you see the writing slide, I want you guys to write your own story on your paper. Draw at least 3 pictures and write your story to match. Don't forget your conclusion. If you're able to, try and take a picture of it and send it to Mr. Tanner's email, which is on the slide, or send me a message on Talking Points with the picture. During skills today, you guys are going to be sounding out words again and then deciding how many sounds you guys hear in the word. Reading time, you guys can click on the link to hear a story about the grouchy ladybug. And then you also have reading station choices on the link, starfall.com or abcyeah.com. I also provided a bunch of centers within our Google Classroom that you can either try and make at home, or if you do have access to a printer, you could print. So have fun exploring those. And same with math, we have some math choices. If you would like to continue to explore different math centers and some websites. Again, Mr. Tanner hopes you have a wonderful day, and he will see you soon. Bye.